Hello everybody and welcome to another video. Now right now I'm going to be making slime for you guys. Now this is what you'll need. You'll need shaving foam or shaving cream. I'm using Pacific Rush. You do not use a lot, but I'll show you. Baking soda, a little cup. This dye and sparkles, and the dye and the sparkles are optional. So is the shaving cream, but you also need glue, but I'm getting that now. Glue. And I have a giant thing of glue. Now, in a bowl, in a mixer, but I'm using a little tiny baby fork. Okay. So what you're first, oops, sorry, I covered it up a little bit. So what you're first going to do is grab your glue and contact solution, but I'm going to get that at the end when I need it. Pour in your glue as much as you want. You're going to put the cap back on there. Okay. You're going to put in your dye. I'm using red, but I think it's going to come out pink. No! There's no more. Well, I used 2 drops. That did a lot. Oh, it actually did kind of do a bunch. Okay. Didn't expect it to. Okay. I'm gonna just put that there then. I mean, aggravated me. And then, what I would like to do, add in a little bit of sparkles. That's a lot, but it's okay. I'm gonna be running out of sparkles because it's just tiny. I'm gonna mix that in. And I made this slime exactly the same way. And I'm gonna use the same different thing. Savage! Okay. And then what you're going to do is, I have this little bucket, but you're supposed to use a teaspoon, but I don't have it. So, oh dear. I'm just using this little bucket, because this is basically a teaspoon. Like, half of it is. I mean, it's all over. See? Pour that in. Now see, it's still liquidy, but that's just to help like thicken it up a little bit. And then you add in your shaving foam or shaving cream. Now I'm gonna get a close up with this because this is so much fun. Like that much. And just a little tiny bit more. Okay. Now don't think I'm creepy, please, because I'm really not. I just love you guys and I want to make you guys laugh. Although I don't think I have any subscribers yet. But I did just start yesterday, so I'm growing kind of. You guys are thinking I'm creepy, I can already tell. Okay. I'm going to open that more. Okay. And then when we're done with that, I'm going to get contact solution. I would suggest BioTrue, it works the most. And you're just going to pour it in with your tiny bit of baking soda. And you're gonna pour that in. That thickens up and starts forming it a little bit. Okay, I'm going to put that down there. See, now it's starting to form. But it's making a texture that I don't like. And then if you don't like that texture, you add glue. It works. And then you can mix that in with your slime. There, now it's making like a more slimier texture, see? Here, I'll prove to you. See, it's making slime. But it's not much anymore because, well, I just put glue. Let's just put that tiny, tiny bit in there. Just mix that around. And then, contact solution. Bio-True. Inspire me. I'm kidding. But then you get to the fun part soon. When you think your slime is a little bit made, I'm going to put a little bit more of that. Add a little bit more of that. Oh, it's that texture. Ooh. I hate that texture. Tiny, tiny, tiny bit more glue. Literally tiny. It looked like maybe like the size of an ant. Okay, and then I'm gonna mix that in. Look. Now your slime is basically ready. And you are ready, see? But now, this part you guys may not like. You have to take it out, knead it. Because look, see how sticky it is? Well, it'll stop being sticky after, well, you know. So I'm just going to knead this and I'm going to grab some. This is a pretty color. And if you really don't think it's getting better at all, like after a while, you may add a little bit more contact solution, but I wouldn't recommend a lot or else it will get bad. This is ruining. This has been 8 minutes so far. Now I'm going to go. No! Now see, it's all over my hand, so I'm going to get a little bit of contact solution. Now I literally added 3 drops. Tiny drops. Now see, it's not sticking as much, but it will be a little bit sticky for a long time, so. Not like for days, but like you have to knead it a lot, and I apologize for you having to do this. If you don't like being messy, just don't get it all over the table. Or if you are a kid and you were trying to make this, then you might be in a little bit of trouble. But see, you're still kneading it. See how it's not wet? This should be the same tomorrow, and I will tell you how it is tomorrow. Of course, because I love you guys so much. And go follow me on Musical.ly also. Morgana Honey, MORGANA HONE 2000. Because I really want more fans, and I really, really do. I want my 1,000 so I can bake a cake. And I know that there are more than 1,000 people on Musical.ly because my friend has over 2,000. So Look, it's starting to get less sticky. See? Not much, but just do that. But yeah, after a little while, I'm going to grab more, which means that I'm going to be having even more stickier hands. And after this, I have to go take a shower. My friend wanted me to call her, and I said, can I call you? And she wasn't there because it was a long time ago because I forgot. Because my friend my friend basically just left. I don't know how I'm so energetic right now. It's probably because I just took a walk. Little one. And I had to delete that house tour. I apologize because, well, my mom got mad because she doesn't want people knowing. So I explained to her what it was and how I did it, and I showed her, and she's like, okay, just please delete it. Maybe when you grow up you can do that. And I'm like, okay, fine, whatever. Fine, whatever, I don't care. I mean, it's just a YouTube video. I'm making more. But I might have to delete this one because this is my dad's, which means that he might yell at me. He said, please make your own account. And I'm like, well, when I find out how, I will. He's like, okay. So, yeah, see, it's getting less sticky. I just don't want to, like, be sitting here like this. Yeah, you're gonna need it a little bit. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. When I could be telling you junk that I can tell you. See, now I'll prove to you that it's slime when I get it. See, now like this is getting too long, so I'm going to hurry up and grab contact solution. And right there, I just added 4 drops. And now it's not sticky, see? Okay, kind of. But if you need it, it'll get a little bit stickier, which means that it won't be wet that much. This is fun. But I have more to play with. So I'm going to get that. Well, now I'm going to show you it. Need it a little bit more. Okay. See? See, it's slime. You just have to knead it. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Crush that like button with your slime that you made, or glue, or something. Or your... No. Okay, bye-bye.